My next guest is Sean Pinkerton. Sean is a student also at NJIT, and we're happy to have him here today at Manufacturing Day, October 7, 2016. Sean, thanks for joining us.
Great to be here.
I wish I had more time before you sat down so I could understand all of the topics that you're taking at NJIT.
It's
So
a mouthful.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to start off with the easy one, and you're in industrial engineering.
Yes, first and foremost.
First and foremost. So keeping it simple for me, explain what industrial engineering is.
Industrial engineering is basically working with manufacturing processes, specifically looking at efficiency, quality control, human errors, optimization, and the like.
Got it. Okay. So then you mentioned, and I'm going to run through these quickly, and you can knock them off as you go. Applied math.
Yes.
I have no idea if that's beyond 2 plus 2. Math of finance.
Yep.
Usually they do use math in finance, do they
Yes,
not?
you'd hope so.
Yeah, you would think, or maybe not. And then there's actuarial sciences,
Yes.
which actually has my curiosity more than the others. But why don't we start with the applied math? Give us a little critique on what that's all about.
The applied math is actually it's a very easy minor to attach to your engineering degree because it only requires 2 more classes. It deals with basically applying your math to the real world and to specific applications.
So you took this because it's an easy course.
It's just 2 more courses to take. It's quite simple to do, and it looks good on your degree. I haven't touched the classes yet, so I don't know specifically what they're going to teach me. There's some options I could do there, but it's mainly applying it to the real world, physics, finance, and stuff like that.
So math of finance and actuarial sciences, that's all one, is that correct?
Yes.
Give me a 3-second on that one.
Well, 3
I think
seconds
that I won't
on
know
that
what you're
one.
talking
It's all about probability. So biggest
that's interesting.
implementations of actuarial sciences are in the life insurance industry,
Right.
where they look at, okay, who's this person, what are his risks, what are the chances he's going to die in this period of time, so
Right.
maybe we can insure him because we won't actually have to pay out, or that kind of deal.
Does that at all fit in with manufacturing, or is this
Yes,
just
because it's
okay.
it all deals with probability and analyzing data to increase your profitability.
risk management?
Risk management.
Okay. So let me ask you, what year are you in?
I'm currently a sophomore.
Sophomore.
I recently transferred from County College to NJIT.
So about a year ago or so, you had a sit-down conversation with your folks,
Yeah.
and you said, "Mom, Dad, I'm not going to college." What happened after that?
Well, after that, they said, that's fine, get a job.
Of course.
I worked for a couple of years. Didn't like working for a living with this.
Yeah, it's a bummer.
Without the degree, you can't really get a great job. So
Right.
I started up at CCM, County College of Morris. I shouldn't call it CCM on the air, but I got my associate's degree there in mechanical engineering technologies, which is all manufacturing processes, CNC controlled machining,
Right.
and stuff like that. And I found out a little late into that degree that I wanted to do industrial engineering, so I ended up finishing it and then transferring because I didn't like to leave things undone.
Are you working presently?
Yes.
Where are you working?
I work for a engineering consultant agency, Dynamic Engineering. They're a civil engineering land development firm.
Right.
They service all of New Jersey, Maryland, Delaware, Virginia.
Oh,
They have offices in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Texas.
small company. Huh?
Well, they're growing.
Yes.
It's a really great company to work for, and I'm a draftsman there.
Very good.
I use that engineering technology degree to get into drafting.
So do you have a specific goal point that you would be the perfect job for you in another 2, 3, 4 years from now?
Perfect job for me. Now this goes back a little ways. 3 years ago I got a certification in guitar construction and repair. and then I saw my first CNC machine. So
Right.
the perfect job for me would be managing a guitar making factory.
Ah, that's
It would
pretty
be my
specific.
it would be my dream job. You know, I went down to Paul Reed Smith in Maryland a couple of
Mm-hmm.
years ago. I toured their factory. It blew my mind. It got me so hype about manufacturing and industrial engineering that I was like, I got to do it. I got to do it. I got to do it. And I'm just thinking that would be my dream job.
Certainly inspirational. I'm glad to hear that you folks who are in the late teens and 20s really are committed and dedicated to doing something that you want to do, not that you're being pushed into do,
Yeah.
or being unemployed or doing nothing. So that's great that you're doing this. I want to thank you for being on the show.
Thank you so
And,
much, Liz.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.